Hello everyone, my name is Afrin Anjum. I'm the technical head of Oyster, the Zoological Society of Shivaji College. Recently, I had an opportunity to attend a workshop on Canva Pro. This workshop is very interesting, very intellectual, just because of Gaurav Singla sir, the founder of J Studios. He makes workshop like very smooth, very creative. वर्कशॉप में उन्होंने हमें सब सिखाया लाइक वी आर फेसिंग मेनी डिफिकल्टीज इन एडिटिंग in making a poster for our upcoming events, seminars, etc., like how to manage many elements in single poster and maintaining the equal space between elements. He teaches us everything with easy and few steps. Like we are doing manually and it takes a lot of time. Because of sir, now we are upgraded to next level and we save our energy and as well as our time. So thank you J Studios India for organizing this grateful workshop. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Purti Garg, the peer head of Oyster, the Zoological Society of Shivaji College, who currently collaborated with GS Studios for the online Canva workshop. The workshop we had was a very incredible session. Here we learned how to use stair templates and customize colors and fonts and add a creative element to make our design stand out. And I hope you all who attended this session felt confident and can use Canva for your personal and professional projects. Thank you, GS Studios.
Hi, I'm Shohili, a third year student at Shivaji College. I recently had the pleasure of attending a Canva Pro workshop by GS Studios India in collaboration with Oyster. This workshop was an incredible experience where I have learned so many new things, from exploring color palettes, font sets, elementations to understanding alignment for the professional designs. We have also explored Chrome extensions, even learned to build a portfolio website, which was extremely beneficial. A huge thanks to GS Studios India for this well curated session. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Kim. I'm the PR co-head of Oyster, Zoological Society of Shivaji College. Recently, I had the opportunity to attend a workshop on Canva Pro where Gaurav Singla sir, he explained everything so beautifully and in such detail, and he made it such an interactive session with the attendees that all the attendees were glued to their screens. For me, personally, it was, I already use Canva, but I got to learn so many new things, from alignment to color palettes and to making professional presentations as well. In between the sessions, he also conducted interactive games and quizzes, and it made the session a whole enjoyable and a lot of fun. And I also liked that how patiently he answered all the questions at the end, and how he cleared all our doubts which we had in our minds. So yeah, all in all, it was a very great session, and I would be very pleased and honored to attend his sessions in future as well. Thank you.
Hey, hi everyone, I'm Aradhana Jha, pursuing course BSc Honors Zoology, a second year student from Shivaji College, University of Delhi. Recently, I got a chance to attend an amazing workshop on Canva Pro and graphic designing organized by G Studios India in collaboration with Oyster, the Zoological Society of Shivaji College. This workshop was literally amazing and interesting as it caters our need as a college student, as we all have to prepare some type of presentations, projects, and different research work. This workshop caters all of our needs. The survey sir made it look like a cup of tea for us to create a professional looking designs. This workshop was very engaging, especially that brand logo game. Thank you sir for such an amazing lecture and providing us with different Google and Chrome extensions which will really help us a lot in future. And thank you sir for such a lecture, and we are looking forward to attend more lecture from you.